Decoding video calling apps, filters and effects.
Hello and welcome to our tutorial. Today, we're going to talk about the different types of filters you can expect to find in most video calling apps. These creative features can add a fun or professional twist to your calls, and we're here to guide you through them.
What are video filters?
To start with, video filters are digital effects that you can apply to your video feed during a call. They can range from simple color corrections to fun animations or even virtual backgrounds that can change your environment entirely.
Common types of filters.
1. Visual filters. These are filters that change the appearance of your video feed. They might add a sepia tone, black and white effect, or other color shifts. Some might even add texture effects like grain or vignette. 2. Background filters. These filters allow you to change or blur your background. This can be useful if you want to maintain privacy or hide a messy room. 3. AR filters. Augmented reality, AR, filters are increasingly popular. These might add objects, animations, or effects to your video feed, like a pair of glasses on your face, a crown on your head, or even subtle beautification effects. 4. Theme filters. These filters are often used for special occasions or holidays. They might add thematic elements like snowflakes for winter, falling leaves for autumn, or party decorations for birthdays.
Professional filters.
While many filters are fun, some are designed specifically for professional use. These include 1. Lighting correction filters. These can automatically adjust the lighting in your video to make it look more professional. 2. Skin smoothing filters. While not to everyone's taste, some apps offer filters that smooth out skin and reduce the appearance of blemishes. 3. Background replacement filters. These allow you to replace your background with a professional-looking office, for instance, to maintain a professional image. That wraps up our overview of the kinds of filters you can find within most video calling apps. Remember, while filters can add a fun or polished touch to your calls, they're not always necessary. The most important part of any call is clear communication. But if you do decide to experiment with filters, we hope this guide has been helpful in understanding what's out there. Happy video calling!